now, Shatta Wale, we're expecting a crazy collaboration with him and John Legend on the 20th of March 2026. I'm excited about that. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the story. And I am just trying to figure out how amazing it will be. Now, if you've wondered how the song is going to be, just relax, okay? And let me get into it. Ghanaian dancehall star Shatta Wale has officially announced an upcoming collaboration with American singer and songwriter John Legend titled Ain't Nobody. Now, the surprise announcement has sparked excitement among fans across social media as the song is expected to blend Shatta Wale's energetic dancehall style with John Legend's soulful vocals. Now, while the energetic dancehall musician Shatta Wale has released the date, and he further details about the track have not been revealed. Now, the collaboration is already generating buzz and anticipation, with many fans eager to hear how the two global artists will merge their distinct musical sound on the record.